Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Non-consensual towing, man, on a professional level. It's what we do. We yank cars, and it ain't slowing down at all. Anyway, peace. It's gonna be tricky back here. I gotta load this van up right here. It's got no tag on it. Pretty sure that first one right there without no racks on it is the van we got to tow. The problem is everybody's home from work because it's raining. All these guys are construction workers. Most of them are. Anyway, let's see what happens.
It's not heavy.
Is it yours?
Yes.
Where's the plate?
You're over there. The house.
Okay, well, you ain't got no plate on it right now, man. You got no plate on it, man.
Hey, be careful. I call for the guys.
Okay. Listen, you can call for the guys if you want to, man. Hey, this is what I do for a living. They work, I respect that. You gotta respect me, what I do. This is what I do.
Yes,
this is what I do for a living.
I know. You're living over here. You want to stop? I gotta go for the toaster for the office.
You call the office if you want to. It's already been stickered.
You want to take it off like this. You want to go now for the office. No, you have the title or everything.
Let me shut this off. Well, I'm saying, this is what I do. This is what I do for a living. It ain't got no tag on it, man. The office is the reason we're here. It's because of the office. And she wants all the cars and everything with no tag.
Yeah, you had the title. You had the title.
You gotta have a plate. See the plate? It's gotta have a plate. It don't have a plate, man.
Yeah, you're having it's over here.
Where's it plate at? In the car?
Yeah, no. He said it's on side.
No, it's no good. It's gotta be on the car. You can't put it inside. It's got to be in the car.
Okay.
Now, listen. Let me tell you what.
I mean, I gotta go for the.
Listen,
if you want right now.
If he wants to pay, if you want to pay it out, you can pay it out. If you want to pay it out, it's $100. It's drop fee, or I'm gonna tow it. I just left the office.
No, you gotta ask it.
I just left the office, man.
Yeah, you gotta go for the.
I just left the office. Hey, tell him it's hooked. That's just what I do. You know what I'm saying? If you want to pay it out, you can pay the drop fee. Yeah.
Yeah, no more the park over here. I got you in the moving right now.
If you want to pay it out, you can pay it out. I can't. I can't, man.
I got you moving right now.
Yeah. I'm not taking it off, man. You gotta pay. You gotta pay, man. I'm fixing to yank it up, man.
I don't care. You gotta charge me for the office.
Yeah. No. You're hooked, man. You're hooked.
You gotta move it. The one check lady. I got you moving right now. I'm gonna go back. I gotta go for the store. I gotta go for the store.
Yeah.
You gotta move it, please. You got to move it.
I'm not moving, man.
I don't know. You gotta got to move it over here.
Okay.
Because you have the time and everything. You have the comment. For the sticker, it's not have the sticker. But I gotta go to time and you have the paper, everything. You know?
I understand you're not happy because you're hooked. I understand you're not happy.
You go for the office. You go to the office. Right now, I got tomorrow this day.
Hey, I've already. I just left the office.
I don't know.
Hey, I do know. I just left the office.
No, you gotta go there, move and then speak to them.
No, man, I'm not doing it, man. Guess he's gonna drive it off. Hey, you gotta pay, homeboy. You gotta pay, man. You gotta have to pay it out.
You gotta pay me.
I'm gonna call the police, man. I'll call the police. You can talk to the police.
It's me
Explain to the police.
It's me.
Listen to me. Hey,
it's me call you. It's me call you.
Talk to the office.
I don't care. You're gonna tell you.
Listen, you better talk to the office, man, not me. Anyway, this situation here is gonna escalate. It could have escalated into a violent situation, and if I'm found to be the party that instigated a violent confrontation, then the record driver can be cited for it or can be charged with it. So the reason I've called the police is to keep this from turning into a violent situation. Whenever you can, you have to keep the confrontation from happening, and he didn't put his hands on me yet. If he would have put his hands on me, I would have had the right to do whatever I want, but he did put his hands on me in order for me to get this car on the truck. The best thing for me to do is have the police out here explain to him the law. How you doing, sir? He's hooked. He got no tag on it. I just left the office. She said clean the property. We took one Friday.
Are you
I'm already hooked. I'm hooked. I can drag it up right now. He just
repossessing the car?
No, it's an expired test. No tag, and there's a lot of they're trying to clean get the property up, and the no tags, the flat tires. That's what we're
property manager.
Oh yeah, it's property manager. I've actually got a copy of the list right here. I've got a copy of the list with
How long has the car been here?
You know what? I imagine it's probably been here several months, but I just left her office just a minute ago, and here's the van. It's D. No, the B, white Ford van, no tag. That's the one. Yeah, it's a white Ford van, no tag. And she, like I said, I just left her office a minute ago.
So there's no tag on it?
Yeah, I mean, he has the opportunity by law to pay it out if he wants to pay it out.
What do you mean by pay it out?
Pay the drop fee, and then he can move from the property himself. That's state law, and I do honor the state law by that. And I already give him the opportunity to do it, and I still will, even though he's escalating, and I still will give him the opportunity to do that if he wants.
Hey, car. What's up? Hey, what's up? Hey, okay. So the property manager is calling it. But they said that for $100 they could put the car in. But that's yeah.
I don't know. It's meeting over here. It's not the boss of
How long has the car been there?
I think so maybe 3 months. 3 months. This is your help from the fix it. Right now your help from the visit for the sticker. This is your help to file the whole thing.
Yeah, I mean
it's
the property manager towing your car.
Yeah.
So
the timer is over here. But if you don't have a problem for the sticker.
Yeah, it's nothing to do with here. It's nothing to do with the tag. It's the manager. It's been here for 3 months, just sitting here. So they're towing it. They have the right because it's their property. Okay.
Okay.
So it's their.
Okay, let me say, I'm gonna check her.
So that's between. Yeah, I mean, if you want to give him some time, get some stuff out, or.
Oh yeah, I'm reasonable.
Too much money over here. It's not. You have everything for the van. No,
I mean,
you have compressor. You have everything. You have for the work.
Yeah.
You know?
Did you call your boss?
Yes, I called, but he's not picking up for the phone.
He's not picking up?
No, he's not picking up. I gotta go for the office for the company for the work.
Okay.
Yeah.
All
You
right.
had the time, you had the problem for the sticker. It's not, you had the problem. You
Yeah.
had the problem for the van, it's over here.
Mhm.
It's not transport for the mission, you know?
Yeah, yeah. Like I said,
Yeah.
though, it's the property manager.
Yeah.
So let me see that tag real quick. There you go.
Sure.
If you want to give him a few
Yeah, oh,
minutes,
yeah,
I mean,
man,
so
I'm-
it's-
hey,
it's
I'm-
the- it's the
I'm
property
always-
manager towing the car because it's been here for a
Yeah,
while.
yeah. It's the property manager.
Right now,
Yeah.
I go for the ask in the office. I don't know, you have problem for the office. What happened? It's me, it's living over here, my friend.
Yeah.
It's not
I
for picking
understand.
up. It's not for picking up for the van.
I understand. Hey, they just got to be. Hey, they got to be compliant with code enforcement. It's got to be.
So how do y'all notify them?
It was
that the car's
stickered.
been-
It was stickered.
It
We
was
did-
stickered?
All it was all photographed, dated. Everything's completely above
Okay.
board
Okay.
on it. When they're ready to tow, they call us back. We come. But yeah, it was stickered. That window on that side had sticker on
Okay.
it.
All right.
And,
Is it still on there?
hey, pictures. He pulled it off. Yeah. And hey, and photographs too. They got photos up there
Okay.
too. Ahead of time, they
I'm
can
gonna
saw.
go and run just to make sure it's not like.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hold on one second.
Yeah. Hey.
Oh yeah. Oh, thank you.
Yep.
Thank you, my friend.
You finished?
Now for the front guy,
Okay.
for the front guy side, it's finished. Let me
Okay.
let me check. Front guy side, it's finished. Let me check.
Oh, damn, you okay? You okay, man? Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
What's going on? You want an ambulance?
Si quieres una ambulancia.
No te me pague, que es la vida que
Dice to pay the medicine.
Okay. That's for me. You have to go to Silverport. You can't just pay right now. You call ambulance. It doesn't have to go to the hospital. Just come
no,
look at
que
you.
le llame a la oficina que venga a verlo.
Dice to call the
Que venga a la oficina a verlo.
Anyway, that's sometimes that's how this business goes. This guy, the police told him to clean his van out, get whatever he wanted out of the van, and I agreed to let him do it, no problem. Well, he slipped in the mud in his flip-flops and he got hurt, or supposedly, and he said he couldn't walk, and now he's going to sue somebody. Thinks he's going to sue somebody, but I got it on video. I got the whole incident on video. Nobody calls him to slip and fall, other than him wearing flip-flops in the rain. So he really ain't got no ground to stand on as far as what happened to his got a little bruise on his leg. Anyway, sometimes that's the way it goes.